So very quickly, let me show you how I achieve that beautiful style on the thumbnail. You can achieve this style on a long and medium hair, but my hair is short and I am still able to achieve this beautiful hairstyle. I will take you on the process on how to get it done in few minutes. To my returning subscriber, I say thank you. Thank you. I appreciate you for coming back to see my video. And if this is your first time stopping by this channel, you are also welcome, because this is one of the channels that you will love to be, and I'm happy that you are here. Do not forget to press the subscription button. Subscribe and turn on your notification so that you will not be left out when I upload a new video. So to this hairstyle, you will be needing hairband, elastic hairband. I prefer elastic hairband, but if you can do with hair rubber band, the black tiny one, just make sure you moisturize it with oil. You lubricate it with a little oil so that it will not cause breakage on your hair. So you will need an elastic hairband, about 4, or it depends on the number of the section you are parting your hair into. I am just parting my hair into 4, so I used 4 elastic band. You will need something to part your hair, either a rat tail comb or anything to part your hair, and you will need a detangler, a detangling brush, or a wide tooth comb. Whichever suits your hair and whichever works for you is okay. My name is Oluwatosin. Now let's dive into the video. Parting one's hair by oneself, parting your hair by yourself, is one task on its own. But if you can get it a bit straight or a bit even, then it is not bad at all. You are good to go on any hairstyle you wish or you feel like doing on your hair. Yes, practice, they say, makes perfection. The more you practice, the more you get it straight. So I am simply done with all the parting, and this is the last part to take out of the way. I am done. So what I simply did with all this section is dividing each section into 2. Now, not dividing sideways. Not dividing right and left. I divided them up and down. So you are parting them in the upper and the lower, and the upper side. Do you get it? Yes, it's just as simple as that. Divide one section upward, the other section downward. And while parting, while dividing, please ensure to make it a bit even. If it is not equal, please make sure the difference are not so glaring, so that you will not have one bun bigger while the other bun will be very smaller than the other bun. So in total, I had 8 buns after this session, after the dividing, so I had 8 sessions in total. So if yours is divided into 5 sections, then dividing each section into 2 will give you 10 buns in total. Yours might be lesser or more than that. It depends on your preference. So I will leave you to the video to watch while I come back after the styling. Cucumber is our health tip in this video. Do you know that cucumber is one source of hydration that can restore hydration back into your body? You want to make sure to take enough cucumber as this will help in your hydration level. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel.